Hi Scorpios, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Scorpios. For your general energies, career situation and relationship, we are picking these cards. So these are for your general energies. For your relationship, we'll be picking this card. And for your career situation, we have this card. If you like this reading and if it resonates, Scorpios, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy. So if you want more clarity, you can watch that reading, Scorpios. And if you are interested in a personal reading, Scorpios, I'll be sharing my friend's link in the description. You can contact her. She's a very good intuitive reader and she does personal reading in fever. So let's start the reading with these cards for your general energies first. So today we have 9 of Pentacles in reverse, 10 of Pentacles in reverse and Ace of Wands in reverse. So maybe in your circumstances today, you are doing everything possible. Maybe you are making the efforts needed. You are working really hard. You are trying your best. But there may be some difficulties, some confusions, doubts, something not right, or you may not see the expected returns in work. Or even in this relationship, you want a beautiful understanding in this connection. You are really friendly, kind and compassionate. But whatever it is, you see some doubts, some confusion, arguments or some stressful circumstances in this connection. And maybe for some of you, you feel that you cannot trust this person. Maybe you relied on them on few things, but today things are changing. Some confusion, doubts are there. And you feel that you cannot rely on this person. And maybe for some of you, this person is also depending on you for something, depending on you financially, and it is really difficult for you to handle this circumstance. Maybe you love them, you like this person, but this is too much for you to handle, and you feel really burdened in this relationship. A lot of things you need to do or a lot of things you need to take care of. So there is a lot of emotional stress on you in this relationship. So we will see what is the oracle guidance for you all today. By the book. A very apt card for your circumstance, Scorpios, for your relationship. So this card just means that in order to understand this person perfectly, we must know what they are because of their circumstance, their environment, culture and their talents and skills, and find that middle ground, find that common ground for this relationship to flourish. Honoring this person's individuality, not wanting to change that. And this is not the time for you to pressure this other person to conform to your ways or your ways of doing things. Just trying to respect them for what they are and trying to build a strong foundation on the truth, whatever this person is and whatever you are. That way, this relationship will deepen and this connection will deepen. So, that is the energy here. So, go by the book, play by the rules, whatever you feel has been done by the people, maybe your parents, your grandparents, whatever they decided. Maybe you, if you know what will be the choice, what will be their choice in this circumstance. So that is the reading here. So we will see what is the card for your career situation, Scorpios. We have Two of Suns. So in your career, things are falling into place. This is the time for achievement, greater success. There are new opportunities with great possibilities for success coming your way. So that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the pick a card that is coming up right now, Scorpios. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. So this is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds. Open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. We will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this first card, the Goose Girl. I hope you can see the card. Theft. So with this card, the energy is that maybe in your circumstances today, your identity is being stolen or you have been wronged in a very bad way. Something of yours has been stolen. But you need to understand that your uniqueness and what is truly yours can never be stolen from you. Though it may look like you have lost something, in truth you have not lost it. It is a part and a parcel of your being, the truth about yourself, your true characters, your true nature. It can never be copied because each and every one of us are unique in our own way. And maybe you are facing some problems because of this, but justice will always happen. Truth will unfold in your life very soon. Truth can never be hidden for a long time and it will be revealed very soon in your situation. And you are being protected and you are being cared for, but you don't know it yet. You may feel lost, a little lonely. You may feel lost away from the people you love, people who have cared for you. But this hardship is coming to an end, and whatever injustice has been done to you is ending very soon. And you need to understand that truth will always prevail. So you need not worry. Truth about you, truth about your circumstance is coming out very soon. And whatever cruelty or jealousy is done to an innocent person will never harm them. It will just go back to the doer. So you need to understand that, and you need to understand that justice can never be thwarted. It will always unfold and truth will always prevail. So that is the energy here. So maybe you have been wronged, or maybe if you have wronged someone, you should make amends if you have done something wrong to someone, if you have tried to copy them, or if you have tried to take away what is truthfully theirs. You must mend your ways. Or if something bad has happened to you, or someone has done something bad to you, you need not worry. What is rightfully yours will always come to you. So that is the energy here with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this card, we have the impossible made possible. So in our hearts, we will be dreaming of big dreams, and we ourselves, we will feel that it is something, it's too big, or it is too much to imagine, or it is too unreal to manifest in our life. But there is nothing wrong to dream, and there is nothing impossible for that divine power to make it happen. So we need to have that belief in that divine power, in that higher power. So all that is holding us back from achieving these dreams are our thoughts of that lack of belief, that lack of belief in the higher power's power to unfold such dreams in our life. So our mind is the reason for us to be like this. So when we are truly passionate, when we yearn for such beautiful dreams to unfold in our life, there is nothing to stop us. And at that right time, what we passionately wish for ourselves and what we truthfully wish for ourselves will definitely unfold in our life. With that divine help, that dream will unfold, and this card means a blessing is coming your way, and this is it will be like the sweetest water quenching the thirst of our soul. So just like that, whatever we are really passionate about and whatever we yearn for, so that dream is waiting to unfold with that divine blessings. But all we need to do is have that belief in our heart. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. So that is the reading for you all today with these cards. Guys, thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye guys.